Hey folks, here we are, unbagging time, new delivery from China. This is a lock picking tool. Let's have a look, shall we? It says new, the brand of high quality fold lock pick tool, including the locksmith commonly used single hook with 6 driver block. Okay, whatever that means. And there's some sticker here in case you want to know what it is exactly. See if we can focus. There, made in China, brand of high quality. Okay, let's give this a go, shall we? Okay, H&H, the brand of high quality. Okay, I see somebody's fingerprint. I wonder if that's mine. Probably. Okay, there is what's this thing here? This looks to me like a torque applicator. This thing right here slides right out. Okay, so that shoves itself in here and pushes itself down. Okay, we'll leave that over there. Then we have a thumb screw. I'm not sure exactly what this is for, but there it goes. Okay, we'll have to figure that out later, unless it's designed to hold the tools out in place. So let's go ahead and start opening this up. We'll try this and we'll flick these open. So these basically fold out. Okay, here we go. So we have how many tools here? 5? Okay, no, 6. Okay, these are 6 different lock picking ends. Okay, let's put one out for now. Okay, and okay, so I see what's happening. I think you rotate the thumb screw and it locks it in place. If we now rotate this until it's tight, this doesn't move. Can't close it. Okay, so you go ahead and apply it. Now, they're not bad, an instrument. It's pretty tight. And then here you apply your torque. There's a couple of ends here. It would have been nice to have a bit more angle there, but not bad. Okay, let's close it. Okay, and what would have been, oh, there's a hole on the end here, so you can put on a keychain, but there's no ring. You have to apply your own. Okay, this goes in here. No, the other way. It goes in here. And yeah, as you push it in, it kind of just wedges itself in here like so. And there you have it. So I'll give this a go. I think it cost me just a few dollars. It wasn't much. It's quite cheap on eBay. I can't remember exactly, but it was not bad price-wise. Anyway, and how does this fit in here? I don't really know. I think it was in like this. Or maybe not, yeah, something like that. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you like this video, and I look forward to showing you more about how this works in the future. Thanks for watching.